Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 213. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 1 covering these two, a 1 covering this box. 2's covering both of these boxes, so our 2 must be here. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this column, oh wait, that can't be right. We've got a 2 there, covering this whole box. So we're missing 1, 4, and 6. So let's try this again. We've got a 1 covering here. So 4, 6. We've got a 6 covering both of these boxes. So this has to be our 6. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. That's not a good way to start off a puzzle, is it? All right, so let's look at this column again now. So we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 1 covering both of these boxes, so our 1 must be here. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this column, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got, oh, that can't be right either. We're missing 4 and 8. Sorry guys, I don't know what's wrong with me today. We've got a 4 here. So this is our 8, 4. If we look at this box, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 8 here, so 3, 8. For this top row now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. Oh, no, we don't have that 1 yet, so we can't. All right, but we got this 4 now, so this is indeed our 1, and this is our 4. So going back here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. And for this box now, we're missing a 1. And a 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. If we look at this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 5 covering both of these boxes, so our 5 must be here. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this row now, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 5. 9 here, so 2, 5. And that means that our 9 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 1 here, so 9, 1. For this row now, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 5. No help here, 2, 3, 5. 3 here, so 2, 5. And that means that our 3 has to be here. If we look at this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 9 here, so 4, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 8. 5 here, so 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got the 2 here, so 4, 5. 4 here, so 2, 5. And that means the only place our 4 can be is here. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 5. And I don't see any help, so 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 5. 3 here, so 5, 8. And that means the only place our 3 can be in this row is here. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 2. That 2 makes this our 8, 7. That 8 makes this our 5, 2, 5. That 2 makes this our 5, 2, 8. And that 2 makes this our 5 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I'm kind of surprised we made it through that one today after the way that got started. Well, thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.